Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Kitchen Academy 12-piece non-stick cookware set. If you have been looking for an upgrade to your kitchen that balances aesthetics with serious performance, you might want to pay close attention to this blue granite set. Let us start with what you actually get in the box. This is a comprehensive 12-piece set. It includes an 8-inch and an 11-inch frying pan, a 9.7-inch wok with a lid, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, a 3-quart casserole dish with a lid, a 5-quart casserole dish with a lid, and 2 silicone utensils. It is a very well-rounded kit that covers almost every basic cooking need from searing and frying to boiling and stewing. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the granite coating. Kitchen Academy has focused heavily on the health-conscious consumer. This set is completely Teflon-free. It guarantees no PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, or cadmium. For those of you with families or small children, this is a major peace of mind factor. Beyond safety, the performance is impressive. The manufacturer claims 10 times superior non-stick capability, and in our testing, food really does slide off with minimal oil. Design-wise, the blue granite finish looks fantastic and modern on any stovetop. Functionally, the set uses a thickened magnetic base. This is important because it makes the pans compatible with all stovetops, including Induction. The body is crafted from recyclable aluminum, which keeps the pans lightweight enough to handle easily while still being sturdy enough to distribute heat evenly and quickly. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the non-stick performance is excellent. You can use less oil, which leads to healthier meals, and the cleanup is very straightforward since food does not get stuck. The heat distribution is also quite uniform, which helps prevent those annoying hot spots that ruin a good sauce. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the pans are easy to clean, the manufacturer specifically recommends hand washing to keep that granite coating in pristine condition for as long as possible. If you are someone who strictly relies on a dishwasher for everything, you will need to adjust your routine slightly. Also, while the aluminum build makes them light, they do not have the same heavy feel as cast iron or thick stainless steel, which some professional chefs prefer for extreme searing. In conclusion, the Kitchen Academy 12-piece set is a fantastic value for anyone looking to refresh their kitchenware with a focus on safety and non-stick convenience. It is visually appealing, versatile, and performs exactly how you want a modern non-stick set to perform. If you are ready to make your daily cooking experience smoother and healthier, this set is a strong contender. Link in the description.